McGuire is now with us. Peter, what's your perspective on the commodity markets? There is a sharp rally, a reversal after a long time. What is the sense you get? And also, do you think it's only linked to the dollar index or there's much more to it?
Well, I think a couple of things. First off, yes, they were well and truly held underwater, and they are probably playing a little bit of catch up. There's the first part. So they were very suppressed as far as price. And as we mentioned, US dollar coming from 116 back to 109, it's given up a lot of that hot energy. And maybe we're having a breather on the dollar. I'm still waiting to see what happens with midterms and where Jay Powell plays. So I'm not suggesting that the dollar's seen its those heady days. I wouldn't be surprised to see an upward lift sometime in November for the dollar, still reigning supreme as king dollar. It's just very volatile across the currency complex at the moment.
So what do you think about, the dollar weakening? If it continues to weaken, do you think there'll be that inverse correlation, or markets are pricing in that dollar probably has topped out and that's why one should just look at commodities as they might be stable now?
Well, how much further? First off, how much further can the dollar go? It's at 109. Is 108? That every chance you could see a 108 handle. But I think there will be support, and that support will be the Fed. And when we go from there, I wouldn't be surprised to see it rocket up a couple. So back at 112, 113, there's the first side. As far as the Russia situation with base metals and all the energy complex has been strongly bid up over the last couple of days. So yeah, it's been a nice trade on energy and every other commodity.
Right. Peter, you're in Australia, so are you supporting any cricket team? T20 World Cup is going on. A lot of interesting names, a lot of interesting upsets happening.
I tell you what, Sunday's game was just outstanding for you guys, and that was on the edge of everyone's seat. Record crowds and just so much. So we're really looking forward to a wonderful summer in Australia, and I won't be surprised to see India do extremely well. They're the team to beat. You know that as well as I do, and it's going to be a fun summer of cricket.
All right. Thank you so much, Peter. Always good to get perspective from you, and hope you enjoy the cup that's going on in your city. A lot of matches in SCG, so I'm sure you would have booked your tickets for that.
Absolutely. Thank you.